This short natural gas trade has absolutely exceeded my expectations. Natural gas crashing again today. I did happily sell 1/4 of my initial short natural gas position. Remember from about maybe 2 days ago, I unwound half of it. Well, today unwound another 1/4 of that original short position. Why? Because the price action got within 3 pennies of what potentially could be the bottom for natural gas. Natural gas did make it down to about $3.10. I kind of say that maybe $3.07 a cubic foot potentially could be the bottom for natural gas. So I happily unwound another 1/4 of my position. So I have 1/4 of my initial short natural gas position still remaining, because sure, potentially it could break below $3.07 a cubic foot. Continue to watch this trade, but it is awesome. I did exit my gold trade today. Remember from yesterday when I said, hey, if gold can't seem to break above that prior all-time high from June and break down, that I could sell my gold with the plan of buying it back at a lower price if it then continues to fall. Well, gold more or less came right up to that all-time high close and rejected and is coming down. So I told my members, hey, I am very, very happily selling my remaining gold position. So I am out of gold. So for now, I'm hoping that gold actually falls a little bit further. I would totally love it if gold maybe fell even as far as about $3,320 an ounce, held that level there. In a perfect world, I'd buy it back there or lower. I don't really think it goes lower, but who knows? So we shall see. So I am happily out of my gold trade, now awaiting a position to possibly get back in. The S&P 500 doing very well. If it can hold these gains by the close, it will finally confirm the breakout, in my opinion, above 6,259 or so. That would be bullish. So be watching for that confirmed close. S&P 500 today outpacing the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 and Mag 7 kind of really just taking a breather after shooting up so amazingly. But in my opinion, it is bullish at the S&P 500. Looks like, we'll see what happens. If it confirms the breakout, that is bullish for the overall market. The 10-year yield, those borrowing costs up a little bit today, at least as of about 1:38 in the afternoon. Now, it is interesting that with these yields up, the Russell 2000, those small cap companies, which are so heavily reliant on cash to fuel their businesses, actually outperforming today. So that's a little bit interesting, but bullish nonetheless that the small caps are actually participating. You know, I am out of my short bond fund trade. So other than just owning corporate bonds in general, I am not in a short or long bond fund trade right now. Stay tuned later on for any possible bond fund trade. Of course, other than that, around the close of the bell today, earnings with Tesla and Google. Let's see how the emotional herd react. It could absolutely drive the market tomorrow. Be paying attention.
This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.